Alright, in this video we're going to go over how to install a panel in the doorway. Alright, so first we're going to see if this panel fits. Too big. Alright, and we can see that it's higher than, we need to get this lower than the trim. So we're just going to flip it over, and this is just to protect the surface of the panel. And now we're just going to trim it off using the multi-tool. Alright, and now we've trimmed off the panel, the door trim. Now just need to see what else need to cut. Alright, so this panel is a little different. So I'm gonna have to cut a piece of it in order to fit it inside the doorway. About in the upper left side of the panel. So we're gonna have to measure what we need to cut and what we need to save. Alright, so I'm gonna measure it out. Okay, now I'm gonna cut the piece that I need off with a jigsaw. Just follow the line. Alright, so now I'm gonna just put it in the groove and slide it in to the point where it's knocking against the trim. So to get this under the trim, I'm gonna have to use a mallet.